Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the failed to send message error on Instagram Messenger. So our first solution is logging out of our account. So press the three bars on the upper right and then press settings and scroll down until you find the logout option and log out of your account. And then you should see all the Instagram accounts you have. So just log into your account again and check if the messages work. If they still don't work, then we can try the second solution. And that is to update Instagram. So just exit out of Instagram and press the Google Play Store. And then press the search on the top half of the screen and just search for Instagram. And if it says update instead of open, then you need to make sure that you update it. And if you're enrolled into the beta program, just press unenroll and it should say join after that. So if it still doesn't work after that, then we have a third solution, and that is to go into your phone settings. So just press the search and search for settings and search for phone storage. So just press that and then press apps and search for Instagram. So I'm just going to search for Instagram and press that. And then all you have to do is just press clear data and then clear cache and uninstall the app and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store and you should have your messages working again. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful and I'll see you in the next one.